So let's talk about this active biochemistry of the plant, starting with cannabinoids. And of course, now that we're talking about the cannabis plant, when I'm talking about cannabinoids, I am referring to the phytocannabinoids. So another quote here from Dr. Raphael Machoulam, who is the godfather of cannabis. He says, "I believe cannabinoids represent a medical treasure waiting to be discovered." And discovering we are. Every single day, we're learning more and more about these compounds and their potential therapeutics, right? So cannabinoids, they accumulate mainly in the trichomes of the plant, like we said previously. These are the active therapeutic compounds of the plant, the active medicinal compounds of the plant. There are over 113 cannabinoids discovered so far, and they're each unique and they have their own therapeutic properties. Now, most of us have heard of THC and CBD, since they are the most abundant discovered so far and the ones that have the most research. Those are the ones we're going to be discussing today.